Hey,
New remix.
we outside. LA shit, Northside shit. And you know it.
You know.
But you don't like my dad?
I, in 17-year-old version of myself, didn't think that this was possible. So every day that I'm able to sort of like make an idea and see it come out, that's enough to film it.
What's up YouTube, it's your channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topic about Philly MC Gillie the King, Wallow and Joe Budden. Joe Budden confronts Gillie and Wallow about Breakfast Club interview. If you don't know guys, Gillie and Wallow had an interview with Charlemagne. And for me it was good interview, but Joe Budden didn't like that and explains why. So before I ask you question of the day, let's check this out. Gillie, Wallow and Joe Budden, come on.
I didn't like that conversation y'all had up here.
What did you didn't like about it? Ain't nobody saying that.
I didn't like it.
Joe, what was the shot?
I don't care. I don't give a f.
The shot. Say the shot.
I didn't like that.
Why you didn't like it?
I didn't say nothing about a shot. I'm putting the onus on me. I didn't like
person. Oh yeah, that was some personal shit.
That's personal. Don't blame that on me. Don't blame that on me.
Now,
don't blame that on me.
At the window.
It gotta happen now.
He went for the window.
Don't blame that on me.
He is the front man of this pod, so when he
don't
get
blame
on
that
his
on me.
And look in the camera and do all, I have to respond to you.
So guys, before I move to the next topic, let me ask you a question of the day. Tell me your reactions to the situation. Also tell me your opinions about Gillie and Wallow's interview of Breakfast Club. Do you enjoyed it or not? Write your opinions in the comments below, and now let's move to the next topic. And our next topic is about Romeo Miller, son of legendary Master P. Romeo celebrates 34th birthday with adorable Diddy daughter montage. So let's check this out the video, come on. Happy birthday Romeo, I think you are a great father. You have such amazing baby and God bless you and your family. So it was all guys, thanks for watching. It's your channel YTV. If you like the video's content, subscribe to the channel, also get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit the website yopty.com. Thank you so much for watching, peace.
Feeling like I cleaned up on my casket. I just paid the bill to devil with a plastic. I'm a bulletproof and you're gonna start blasting. Who I really am, I sort of hate to ask it. I'm still in this rap game and I'm killing it. Cause rhyming is the reflex and I'm feeling it. Any show I get, I'm stealing it. I'm dealing with my demons, yeah, I'm dealing it. Feeling like I jumped out of my casket. Raised like a man, you suckers get blasted. Don't waste my time cause times are getting drastic. Everything you see and feel turns into ashes. The flesh to the bones to the 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 ashes. Prophets gather at the black masses. They gather and they share their passions. It's necessary to think before the actions. God, I have got so many questions. Feeling like I clipped out of my casket. I just paid the bill to devil with a plastic. I'm a bulletproof and you're gonna start blasting. Who I really am, I sort of hate to ask it. Yeah.